Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a few more ways you can use the Acuity scheduler. I'm going to show you how to cancel a lesson without rescheduling right away, and then how to come back later and schedule that makeup lesson. So I'm scheduled for a lesson on Wednesday, June 5th at 4 p.m. Here's my confirmation email or my reminder email, but I realized sort of last minute I can't make that lesson. And I don't know when I can schedule a makeup. So all I want to do right now is cancel it. So going to this email, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to again hit change or cancel appointment. It brings me to the You Love Piano Acuity scheduling page, shows me my lesson time, and instead of hitting reschedule, I'm just going to hit cancel. It makes sure I want to cancel. I hit yes, cancel. And then it says your appointment has been canceled. And you'll get a confirmation email about that as well. If you suddenly realize when you can schedule a makeup, it takes you back to the scheduling page and you can go ahead and do that. But let's say you don't know at this time when you can schedule a makeup. So a day or two later, when you've got your calendar in front of you, you want to schedule that makeup lesson. All you need to do is put this link that we included in this email into your browser, and that's the direct scheduling link, youlovepianoscheduling.as.me. Maybe bookmark that or keep this email so you always have access to that link. That's going to take you right to the scheduler. So the lesson that I canceled was the June 5th lesson. I'm going to make that up on Saturday, June 8th. Perfect. There's one spot left at 11. That works for me. Hit continue. I put in my information. And there you go. I've scheduled a lesson for Saturday, June 8th at 11 a.m. And I'll get a confirmation email about that, and I can also add it to my calendar over here. An important thing to note when you're canceling and rescheduling lessons is to make sure you're keeping track that you're getting the correct number of lessons for that term and that you're not over or under scheduling. If you have any questions, feel free to email at support@youlovepiano.com. Thank you.